Meaning of decimal.
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 Decimal. The term decimal refers to the base 10 numbering system commonly used in mathematics. In this system, numbers can be expressed using 10 digits, 0 to 9, and their place value in a number determines their magnitude. Each digit in a decimal number represents a power of 10, starting from the rightmost digit representing the ones place. For example, the number 123.45 in decimal form represents 100, 2 tens, 3 ones, 4 tenths, and 5 hundredths. The decimal system is widely used in everyday life and is essential for making accurate calculations and measurements.